the time you're watching this, watermelon season is probably over. I am going to dig into this yellow seeded watermelon, and I actually want to share with you how I'm going to be using the rinds and converting them into dirt using this Vego composter. We're so excited! I'm so excited about it! The Vego composter comes with the top lid, and this is a glass cover. It also comes with a hefty bucket. To avoid accidental burns, do not touch the bottom of the inner bucket when it is still hot. So that is just a word of warning. Inside the bucket, there seems to be like a blade of some sort. It has the charge cord, Vego tabs. This helps to speed the breakdown of organic matter and boost overall compost quality for better gardening. There's also a guideline of different types of food scraps you can put in your composter, because not all scraps are created equal. You cannot use chicken or beef in it. You may be able to use chicken bones. Listen, we're vegan, so we're just using fruit and vegetable scraps, so we don't gotta worry about that kind of stuff. It also came with the Vego composter manual. The buttons and lights are up top here. You can even download the app to manage the composter on your phone. I've already put in the carbon in the filter. You just pop it out by pressing this button. Now I'm just gonna pop it back in. Press it in until you hear the click. The amazing thing about this composter is that depending on the amount of time that you have, you can speed up the process. You can do express mode, and it'll be able to create compost out of your scraps within 2 to 8 hours. This is pretty simple. You open the lid, turn it towards the arrow, add the kitchen waste and Vego tabs into the bucket. Once you're done, you put the bucket back into the Vego, lock the lid, and select the mode. This composter is great if you have a garden, if you want to add more nutrients into your soil, and also if you are into the zero waste lifestyle, if you are into giving back to the earth. This is just a really great way to do that. This has been my favorite way to cut up watermelon. What? It's red! And I thought it was yellow, but it's red. It's okay. Before, hubby and I would just put all of our fruit and veggie scraps in the freezer, but our freezer is now at capacity, and we need a better way of storing our fruit and vegetable peels, because winter is coming and ain't nobody trying to make that trip to the compost site. Cutting watermelon like this makes life so much easier. I was really hoping that it was a yellow watermelon. The yellow ones are so much sweeter. I got this for $8.50. You want some watermelon, baby?
No, baby.
Can you say watermelon? Mom. We managed to get 2 pots of watermelon. I am grateful. Amen. Ashe. And we also got this bucket of watermelon rinds. Now, you want to make sure not to fill it up too much, because there is a max. Now, I'm gonna put it in the composter and let it get to work. Lid on. I've been using this composter for over a week now, and I can tell you that I absolutely love it. It actually worked. It's super quiet. I can add fruit and veggie scraps in the middle of the composting process, and at the end of it all, it does not smell not one bit. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you want to learn more, go to vego.com. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace, girl.